Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Layout tab and confirming the document's paper size and orientation. This determines how content flows. Once done, set margins to control printable area and choose columns if you need multi-column text. This changes line lengths and readability. Make sure to set a baseline ruler and enable grid lines for aligned placement. You're doing this first, because typography and spacing choices affect every later layout adjustment and reduce rework when adding images or text boxes. Now focus on positioning. Insert images, shapes, and text boxes, then anchor each object to a paragraph so they stay put when editing text. Use wrap text settings, square, tight, behind text, to control flow. This prevents overlap and keeps captions readable. Apply sections to change headers, footers, columns, or orientation mid-document. Once objects are anchored and sections set, you can tweak spacing consistently. This gives predictable behavior across different pages and ensures clean export to PDF or print. Finish by running Print Preview and exporting to PDF to confirm pagination, margins, and element placement exactly as intended. Update styles so headings, lists, and body text remain consistent, then regenerate the table of contents if needed. If layout shifts after edits, re-anchor objects or reinsert section breaks to restore structure. This fixes most misalignments. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert. That way you avoid losing a correct layout when making final tweaks or collaborative edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.